What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add sub-items on tasks on monday.com. So here as you can see I'm on my monday.com main dashboard, and to add a subtask or a sub-item in general, just go to your workspace that you want to add it on. So here my main workspace for example, and let's go to a board, and here I have my item. So this was a dummy test board that I set up for a previous project, and as you can see here I have an important task. So let's say I want to add a subtask as a sub item, and for example let's say I have a big project and I want to divide it into like several small nuggets of tasks. So an important task, let's say, has 3 subtasks, subtask 1, 2 and 3. And to add a subtask, just go hover over the task that you want to add, subtask 2, and expand its item. And here you can see the sub item menu pops up, and here add a sub item. So let's say buy milk as a sub item. Okay, and shift enter to add a new sub item, to buy flour for example. Let's say the task is to like make a cake. Shift enter, buy eggs. So these are the 3 sub items that I have, and I can edit every sub item. I can add a comment, I can add an order, assign it to someone. So if I have more than one person running errands, I can assign each item to someone. And the status, let's say working on it for milk, let's say the flour I already bought it, and the eggs are stuck because there are none at the store. I can add a date, and I can add columns as well, so time tracking and status and so much more.